Hey guys, what's up? It's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, That's So Rachel. And as you can see by the title of the video, I am basically gonna be showing you guys my everyday makeup routine. So long story short, this makeup routine I have simplified and shortened for myself because I find that I'm always in a hurry getting ready for work. I just don't have time to do the 30-minute makeup routine anymore, guys. I have simplified it to where it's 10-ish minutes. I mean, this will be longer because I'm talking and everything, but it's very just simplified into the steps where you don't need all the bronzer and the highlighter and everything else. Do you hear my washer? Yeah, by the way, if you don't see my pillowcases with Pooh Bear there, it's because I'm washing all my bed sheets and everything. Because when I get a spray tan, I always like to kind of wash my sheets every once in a while. Because, I mean, that's normal. Everybody washes, or is supposed to wash their sheets. But anyways, I have to go get all my makeup stuff, and I also wanted to show you guys the skincare I do before, because in this simplified makeup routine I also don't really use primer or anything. By the way, my nails look so bad. I need a new manicure. Anyways, here's my little caboodle because my other caboodle broke. So anyways, guys, so what is everybody doing? Also, by the way, I got this at the boutique I worked at. It's a little brush holder. It says, "You're really pretty." I love it. Anyways, I'm gonna set this up here in hopes that it doesn't fall over and stuff. Guys, my washer's so funny. Yeah, so basically all I have on my face right now literally is nothing. Oh, I got a spray tan, so ignore that my face is a different shade. I do not want to see hate coming in the comments. Thank you. It's a little blotchy because of that. But I just got out of the shower. Anyways, so before we get started, I wanted to share with you guys the skincare I use after my shower, before I start my makeup. The first thing I use when I'm in the shower cleaning my face, I use this Ole Hendrickson Truth Line. It's the Truth Cleanser. I'll be right back because I'm not gonna hear this washer go off 87 times. Anyways, back to my skincare. So in the shower, when I'm getting ready, I wash my face with this Ole Hendrickson Truth Daily Cleanser. This is the orange one. Just a squeezy tube, but I love it. It's pretty good. It's I used to have the foam, but then the foam was out. They stopped making it. I don't know what happened, but I love that one. It really brightens my skin tone and just kind of keeps everything fresh. It's not too oily, all that junk, And then when I get out, when my face is still kind of damp, I like to spray the Mario Badescu facial spray. This is the purple one with aloe, chamomile, and lavender. So I just call it purple one. You can see I'm out, which sucks. I need to go to Urban Outfitters or something and get more, but that just keeps everything refreshed, and it just wakes up your face. And then I go in with one by Dr. Jart called Ceramidin, which I think is short for ceramides. This is a liquid moisturizing toner. So this is really good because it almost feels like a lotion. It almost feels like you don't really need a serum because it almost feels like that, but it's a toner. So I really love that. And then to go along with that, I do the Dr. Jart Ceramidin Daily Cream. You can use this morning and night, and it's just a moisturizer. As you see, I'm almost out of this one too. But I love this one. So to make it easy, it's in the yellow. Ceramidin it's for ceramides. So ceramides are supposed to tighten your skin, plump it up, reduce. Because I originally went for my forehead wrinkles, because I have these forehead wrinkles from having expressions too much. I originally went, a lady at Sephora helped me. She was so nice, and honestly it wasn't crazy pricey. I also got a cleanser with it too from this other line of Dr. Jart, but I didn't like it as much as this, the Ole Hendrickson, and this is also at Sephora as well. And Mario is at Urban Outfitters, I think Ulta. I don't know if they have it at Sephora. I can't remember. I don't think so, but I don't know. But anyways, guys, so that's basically like what I use on my daily skincare. I add a few other things in there, but I'm not gonna go into it. So what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna like pin my hair back. So we're gonna pin my hair back. How do I do it? Like where I look like Kylie Jenner? You know how she just looks so good even with her hair pinned back? You're like, what the heck?
Live footage. I just cut my finger open. Did you hear me say it too? I was like, ow. Not funny, guys. It kind of cut deep. I was like trying to get this mirror thing off. Like there's like a mirror in this caboodle, and I was like trying to get the mirror like off, like the thing, to see if I could like detach it and set it here to look in it. And I literally cut my finger. Oh, guys. Not even funny. Be right back.
We are back in business. I washed it off and everything. So anyways, the first step is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. I have it in the shade Light. It looks a little dark now because I think I've had it for a little bit and it's a little bit like low. Anyways, I love this because I don't have to use a primer because it has color correcting serum and SPF in it, anti-aging and like all that stuff, and it's healthy. Like it doesn't clog my pores and stuff. Like you guys see, I have some little pimples on my chin. I don't get a lot of acne, luckily. I think it's because I just take care of my skin and use good skincare and, you know, hydrate. So first step, all I'm gonna do is squeeze it onto my hand right here. Just one pump, that's all you need. So this is your first step of the skincare routine, okay? So this is gonna do a really good foundation base. This is really gonna be like a big main step for your routine. So I'm gonna take also this matching IT Cosmetics brush for the foundation and just dip it in the back of my hand and just do strokes all over my face. Never doubt yourself, okay? This should be doing makeup in the monitor challenge. I'm sure it looks literal like crap. My freaking washer having a freaking like bouncy house over there. Like what the heck? It's like, get a life. Oh, also you can see I have eyelash extensions. So today, like in this routine, like I'm just gonna put mascara on my bottom because I don't need it on my top, if that makes sense. Like I really actually can't put it on the top because my lashes will kind of like rip out. There's like all these rules you have to have, which is fine by me because these eyelash extensions literally like have changed my life. So I'm not mad about it.
Cover up these chin pimples, getting some foundation on my lips, whatever. You know, we don't need cliffhangers right now, you guys are looking at me. Guys, I'm so brutally honest, like I just don't care. I feel like I'm so fun to be around and I just need to get more friends in Orlando. Besides like, my coworkers and stuff, they're great. And I have like another friend. Other than that, I need to get like a church group or something, like something going on. Preferably also a boyfriend. I mean, I'm focusing on myself, like I just started college.
Do you see this? Not effing good, guys. Not good.
You guys probably see the lash. Like I'm gonna wash this back and like see the lash. It's so funny. So like when I record videos like this, also the lighting keeps going in and out because like the sun keeps going behind like clouds and stuff. And like I have a tree out here, as you can see, it's really like wavy light. But when I make videos like this, it's like I'll like cut out all this random stuff, like all this like talking and stuff, because I just feel like it's such like filler, like it's so blah blah blah, and nobody cares about it. But I feel like some people would probably care about it. Like sometimes like I love watching YouTubers just sit there and talk.
So my next step in my everyday makeup routine is this MAC mineralized blush. It is in the color Warm Soul. I find this one to fit perfect for my skin tone. MAC always has really great blushes, I think. But anyways, so I'm just gonna take some random brush. This is from like TJ Maxx. Guys, I don't have all the crazy like Morphe brushes and MAC brushes. Like I have some MAC brushes. I have tons of brushes. Like I don't care. So I'm just gonna do strokes of blush on my cheeks. Yes, I make a fish face. Do not make fun of me. Just kind of pat it in a little bit. So guys, the blush is really what makes your face pop, right? You know? You don't need all the contour.
I just like holding my brush with a hot brow way. I'll tell you how to, you know, brush your teeth. Don't tell me how to do the brush.
Anyways, so I don't know. This probably looks uneven on the blush. I really just don't care, guys. I'm staying in today. Anyways, so moving on to my next step. Super easy, guys. I'm just gonna do this Marc Jacobs mascara. It's like my favorite one from Sephora. I'm just gonna do it on my bottom lashes and that's it. So I'm gonna do this off camera. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've done the mascara on the bottom lashes. In real life, it makes a difference. Maybe not on the camera, you can't really see it, but it does make a pretty good difference in real life. So next step is the brows. So literally all I do for brows is just this Precisely brow pencil by Benefit, which you can get this at Sephora, Ulta, whatever. So it just has like this little thin like brow like pencil thing. It's kind of like a cream stick, but it's like very thin and precise. That's why it's called Precisely. So I'm also gonna go ahead and do this off camera too, because I know I'm not gonna be able to do that in the monitor. So be right back. Okay guys, I am back. Brows are done. I don't know how even they look. Don't bash me if they're not perfect. Anyways, I'm gonna use this napkin to get all this foundation off my lips so we can put lips on. Okay, maybe not all of it's off, but most of it is. So guys, maybe since I'm just chilling today, instead of putting a fancy lipstick or lip gloss on today, I am gonna show you one of my new favorites that I found at Sephora. Maybe I should never do that again. I probably should never do that again, honestly, to be like legit honest. But anyways, so I'm rambling at this point. I have literally no memory on my memory card left, so let me hurry up. So I found this at Sephora. It's by the brand Glow Recipe. And it is their like watermelon lip balm. So not only is it a lip balm, it has color in it. And it also has these little like seeds in it. And I don't know what these seeds are, but it just looks like this. It's like a little like cute little jelly lipstick. And I love it. And I must have broke it because it's like bending. But you can see it has some color. Guys, it smells so good. It literally smells like a watermelon jelly rancher. Well, what I'm gonna be using next, my setting spray, is the watermelon setting spray for them. I love it. Guys, this is a disaster. I've broken it because it melts easy. I think I had it in my pocket at work one day and it just like overheated to my lips. Like, I like it. Anyways guys, it's super cute and I love it and it feels good. It really moisturizes your lips and it smells so good. And I just love it. But as you can see, this is just the simple makeup look. So obviously it's a little lighter because I have a spray tan. So like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.